What a futuristic drone fan idea! Imagine just loading your dirty clothes, and that is all, only to just wait and receive well-washed, ironed, and packeted clothes. What if your next favorite gadget is something you've never seen before? From clever kitchen tools to smart tech and everyday problem solvers, these 25 Amazon finds are full of surprises. Stay tuned to discover which ones stand out. All product links in the description section below. Please hit that subscription button below so that I can reach my first 1,000 subscribers. It will be a massive milestone for me. Thank you. Want to upgrade your room without complicated installation? This futuristic drone-style fan light combines LED illumination and cooling in one clever fixture. Simply screw it into a standard E27 socket, then use the remote to adjust 3 fan speeds, brightness, and 3 light colors. The quiet motor makes it bedroom-friendly, while the timer adds convenience. Stylish, practical, and easy to install, it's a smart upgrade worth considering. Need a smarter way to keep your food and drinks cold on the go? The Yumi 24-quart electric cooler brings refrigerator-style cooling to your car, home, or campsite. Its compact black and white design includes recessed handles, LED lighting, USB charging, and a simple control panel. Just plug it into your vehicle or wall outlet, set your preferred temperature, and let the compressor do the work. With battery operation, multiple power options, and battery protection, it's a practical companion for road trips, camping, and everyday travel. Overall, it's a versatile cooler worth considering. If your kitchen counter could use a little extra protection, this oversized silicone mat is worth a closer look. Made from 1.6mm food-grade silicone, it creates a smooth, non-stick surface that helps shield countertops from spills, grease, scratches, and heat. Simply roll it out, trim it to your preferred size if needed, and wipe it clean after use. Its translucent finish keeps the look subtle, while the generous size makes it useful under air fryers, coffee makers, for baking, crafts, or everyday kitchen prep. It's a practical, reusable countertop upgrade I'd recommend. Need a compact soldering tool that is ready when your repair project begins. The FNIRSI HSO2B features a comfortable pen-style design, fast heating, and an adjustable temperature range from 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 840 degrees Fahrenheit. Its large display and 3 preset temperature groups make settings easy to manage. Simply plug it in, select the right temperature, and use one of the included tips for electronics, circuit boards, jewelry, or small repairs. Auto sleep and power off features add convenience, while the storage case keeps everything organized. Overall, it's a practical, well-equipped kit for precise, everyday soldering tasks. Looking for a simple way to stay cool without bulky equipment? This 28-inch bladeless tower fan delivers a sleek, space-saving design with 3 speeds and 70-degree oscillation for wider airflow. Use the LED display or remote to adjust settings from across the room and set the timer for added convenience. Its portable design fits bedrooms, dorms, and offices nicely. For everyday cooling with easy controls, it's a practical option worth considering. Still wasting time and ink on shipping labels? The Neon Bluetooth thermal label printer offers a compact, stylish solution for small businesses and everyday labeling. Connect through Bluetooth using the app or plug in via USB, then create and print shipping, barcode, price, or thank you labels. With support from multiple platforms, customizable templates, and fast thermal printing, it helps keep your workspace organized. Its portable design makes storage easy, making it a practical choice worth considering. Ever wish you had a phone stand wherever you go? This clever keychain-sized holder folds into a compact aluminum accessory that weighs just 20 grams. Simply unfold it, place your phone in the widened groove, and adjust the viewing angle for hands-free use. Its triangular design adds stability, while the sleek matte finish gives it a stylish EDC look. Perfect for video calls, watching content, recipes, gaming, or travel. It's a small but genuinely useful everyday accessory. Ready for a mug that puts on a little showy. This heat-sensitive ceramic mug changes from matte red to white when you pour in a hot drink, revealing charming heart artwork underneath. The 11-ounce design includes a matching lid and heart-shaped spoon, adding extra personality. Simply add your coffee, tea, or cocoa and watch the color transform. With a comfortable handle and microwave-safe mug body, it's a fun, practical choice for everyday drinks or gifting. Want one machine that handles both sewing and embroidery? The Brother SE700 combines 103 built-in stitches with 135 embroidery designs in a clean, user-friendly design. Its 3.7-inch color touchscreen makes editing and previewing projects simple, while Wi-Fi and USB connectivity add flexibility. Just choose a design, hoop your fabric, and let the machine guide your creativity. With an auto needle threader and included sewing feet, it's a practical choice for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Tired of a power cord getting in the way while ironing? The Rowenta Free Move delivers cordless freedom with a sleek, lightweight design and rapid 30-second heat-up. Its stainless steel sole plate features 400 micro-steam holes for smooth gliding and even steam distribution. Simply iron, return it to the charging base between passes, and continue. It also handles vertical steaming for quick touch-ups. For convenient everyday wrinkle removal, this portable iron is a practical option worth considering. Need power when there's no outlet nearby? This compact e-car converter turns a compatible dual 20 volts battery into a portable power station with an AC outlet, USB ports, Type-C charging, and an adjustable LED work light. Just slide on your battery and connect your devices. Its lightweight design makes it useful for camping, job sites, travel, or emergencies. With multiple protection features included, it's a handy option for portable everyday power. This JVGTH board is made from 300 for stainless steel and features a slim, space-saving design. Non-slip silicone mats help keep it stable while you chop, slice, and prep meat, vegetables, fruit, or bread. When finished, simply wipe it down, rinse it, or place it in the dishwasher. For everyday kitchen prep, it's a practical, easy-to-clean option worth considering. Still using staples that leave permanent holes in your documents? This compact paper clam clip dispenser offers a simple alternative for organizing up to 40 sheets without damaging the pages. Just load a clip, align the dispenser with your papers, and push the slider to secure them. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the included refill clips add everyday convenience. Great for home, school, office documents, scrapbooks, or even food bags, it's a handy little organizer worth considering. Is your desk buried under chargers and tangled cables? This Ecosvan desk clamp power strip brings everything together with 9 AC outlets and 8 USB ports, including USB-C fast charging. Simply clamp it onto your desk edge, tighten the knob, and keep power within easy reach. The slim design, flat plug, and long extension cord help reduce clutter. For busy home offices, gaming setups, or workstations, it's a convenient solution worth considering. Need a more flexible way to film, watch, or capture content hands-free? The Omotone 5-in-1 magnetic phone holder combines a strong magnetic base, selfie stick, mini tripod, and adjustable mount in one compact design. Attach it to a metal surface, rotate it into position, or use it as a handheld grip. With 360-degree adjustment, 1/4-inch mounting options, and a portable aluminum build, it's especially useful for vlogging, workouts, cooking videos, travel, and everyday content creation. Want a faster way to handle wiring repairs without reaching for a crimping tool? These Ticken solder seal connectors simplify the process with a one-step heat and seal design. Just insert the wires, apply heat with a heat gun, and the solder ring and heat shrink tubing create an insulated connection. The color-coded sizes make selection easier, while the waterproof design suits automotive, RV, marine, and home projects. For convenient, organized electrical repairs, this 150-piece kit is a practical choice. Need fresh citrus juice without pulling out a bulky juicer? This compact AOI manual squeezer uses a simple spiral design to extract juice directly from lemons and limeys. Just cut the top, twist the squeezer into the fruit, press, and pour. The lightweight plastic body includes a lid for storing leftover fruit and juice. Great for tea, cocktails, salads, marinades, or outdoor trips, this two-piece set is a simple, portable kitchen tool worth considering. Tired of settling for cold lunches during long workdays? This 82-ounce insulated food jar keeps meals organized with 3 stackable stainless steel containers. Its leak-resistant design and wide mouth opening make packing, eating, and cleaning simple. Just fill each tier with your favorite foods, stack them together, and take your meal anywhere. Ideal for work, travel, camping, or road trips, it offers a practical way to carry homemade meals when a microwave isn't nearby. Ready to make your kitchen setup more versatile? The Astercook 21-piece cookware set combines non-stick pots and pans with detachable handles for easier cooking, cleaning, and storage. Simply attach the handle when cooking, remove it when stacking or transferring cookware, and enjoy compatibility with induction, gas, and ceramic stovetops. The aluminum construction keeps the set practical for everyday meals, while the stackable design saves valuable cabinet space. For home cooks, RV kitchens, or anyone needing flexible cookware, this set is worth considering. Packing several toiletry bottles can quickly eat up valuable luggage space, but this 4-in-1 dispenser keeps things compact and organized. It includes 30 milliliter transparent containers with measurement markings, push-button dispensing, and a double-seal design to help prevent leaks. Simply fill each section with shampoo, conditioner, lotion, or face cream, label them, and press to dispense. The included cleaning brush makes reuse easier. For travel, business trips, workouts, or outdoor adventures, it's a convenient space-saving option worth considering. Need ice on demand without waiting around? The GoviLife Smart Ice Maker produces 9 bullet-shaped cubes in about 6 minutes and offers 3 ice sizes to suit different drinks. Its compact countertop design includes RGB lighting, a self-cleaning function, and app-based scheduling. Simply add water, choose your preferred settings, and let it work. You can also use voice controls through compatible assistants. For parties, kitchens, or everyday refreshments, it's a convenient ice-making option worth considering. These self-adhesive mini caster wheels add convenient mobility without drilling or complicated installation. Simply stick them onto the bottom of your item, wait about 24 hours for the adhesive to set, and enjoy smooth 360-degree movement. The compact ABS and metal construction is designed for quiet, easy rolling, while 8 wheels give you flexibility for different projects. For kitchen appliances, bins, boxes, and small furniture, they're a handy upgrade worth considering. Ready to take your aerial footage to the next level? The Potensic Atom SE combines a lightweight, foldable design with a 4K AIS camera, GPS positioning, and brushless motors. With 3 batteries, you get up to 93 minutes of advertised flight time, while the included charging hub keeps recharging convenient. Beginner and sport modes offer flexible control, and GPS return features add peace of mind. For travel, photography, and outdoor adventures, it's an exciting option worth considering. This enchanted glass teapot combines elegant borosilicate glass with a stainless steel lid and built-in loose-leaf infuser. Simply add your favorite tea, pour in hot water, and control the brewing process to your preferred strength. The 27-ounce capacity is great for personal use or small gatherings, while the detachable design makes cleanup easier. With its beautiful presentation and thoughtful construction, it's a charming choice for everyday tea lovers or gifting. Want a more flexible faucet setup with added filtration? The C-Spin sink filter combines a swiveling extender to water flow modes and replaceable filter cartridges in one compact design. Simply attach it to a compatible removable faucet aerator, then rotate the arm to direct water where you need it. The brass and ABS construction gives it a clean, practical look, while the swivel range makes washing produce, cleaning, or rinsing easier. For everyday sink convenience, it's a useful upgrade worth considering.